Hello friends, today I am going to show you the Samsung Galaxy M30S. This model is a budget model friend, but it only is available online. So basically this model you cannot go in a store and buy it. You have to buy it either from Amazon. So I got this phone from Amazon. As you can see, it is mentioned Samsung Galaxy M30S here. The seal is not broken. I haven't opened this. Indian SIM card only, it is mentioned. This phone has a huge battery, as you can see here. It comes with a 6000 milliampere hour with fast charging, 48 megapixel, 5 megapixel, and 8 megapixel ultra wide triple camera setup, and the front camera is 16 megapixel. The display is 6.4 inch and it has an Infinity U display, 2.4 GHz and 1.7 GHz octa-core processor, Samsung Exynos 9611, 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 64 GB of internal storage. As you can see here, I have got the 4 GB model. It also comes with a 6 GB model. And here the price is mentioned 15,500, but if you have a good deal on Amazon, then you can get this phone in 10,900 or else at about 11 or 12,000. So why wait, my friends? Let's open this up. So as you can see here, this is the phone, and nowadays it is a black color. And if you have seen my last video, the A50S, then you might be noticing the camera hump is different here, and the flash is up top here as compared to the A50S. The flash is here, and we get a fingerprint sensor here. So let's open this up. In the meantime, we check what we get in the box. We do get a fast charging here. It is, yes, it is an adaptive fast charger, and it is not that 15 watt or 25 watt one. It is the normal one. I'm dropping things today. And we get the charging cable. It is an USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and nothing else. It is empty. No headphones. It is very astonishing that Samsung is not giving us headphones on this phone. So we get this much, and also we'll check behind the box what we get here. And here the SIM ejector tool, and as usual the user guides and startup manual, and no bar, no case. So there is no case here. So it is totally, if you want a headphone jack, then you got a headphone jack, you have to buy the headphones. So why wait, my friends? Let's open this up. So as you can see here, my friends, this is the phone. As compared to A50, it is slightly heavy because of the big battery, and it is slightly thick also. The color is really nice. It is called as opal black or something like that. Let me check. It is mentioned only black here, but in the website, if you say it is mentioned something opal black, as you can see, it has a shade coming around while I flash it on the light reflection. And you need to take the sticker out. No need to keep this. Be very gentle, or else it will leave the adhesive on the phone back. You need to keep this because might be if you need somewhere, like just paste it on here. So let's boot this up. In the meantime, let's check what we get on the physical side. We get a headphone jack, USB type C, one microphone, bottom firing speaker, power button, volume down, volume up. Left side we get a SIM tray and one another microphone here. So we will open the SIM tray and check what we get inside. So let's open this up. Okay, it's really tight. Be very careful, it is plastic. So as you can see here, my friends, this is not an hybrid SIM tray. As you can see, we can install two SIM cards as well as a micro SD card here. Be very gentle, I am saying. I have broke this once. So there is no double tap support. Let's open this up, and I have to skip this part for the initial setup. So as you can see, the phone has already booted up, and now we will be seeing what's the software that comes out of the box. As you can see, this is the Android 9 with the One UI 1.5. So basically it is 1 November 2019 security patch. So what you can do, I feel the 4 GB also is not that slow because it is really snappy. As you can see, all the apps are opening very fast. Even the camera app, let's close this and open it again. Even when we switch to some other modes, yes, it's working really nice. And we do get storage. Let's check the storage and the battery. Let me show you the battery. 6000 mAh, my friends, 6000 mAh. And let's check what's the storage here. 64 GB. So that's what we get here. And my friends, in the meantime, I'll show you. If you compare it with the other model, this display is basically toned down a bit to the natural side. So basically, if you want some vivid colors to pop out of this display, it is an AMOLED display, but to pop out you have to select here and go to vivid and keep it in the middle. Also check in advance, these are all on the full side. Now you will feel the difference, the color is popping out. Let me show you again. See the difference. I don't know how difference you're getting, but there is a lot of difference on the naked eye. Yes, there's a difference. So the vivid is very vivid. I suppose it is really vivid. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. This is the video for Samsung Galaxy M30S. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Do subscribe my channel. Bye bye.